What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market, and now let's get right into it. And Dow is up almost 1% on the day, Nasdaq up 1.58%, and S&P also up in the green 1.30%. So on top we have here in this group energy, financial, consumer cyclical, communication services, industrials, technology. On bottom, look at this, utilities getting hammered, real estate, consumer defensive, basic material. And if you look at the stock market map, we got green almost across the board. I mean, look at this, XOM up 4.48%, Amazon up 2.97%, and Tesla almost 8% on the day. Google up 3.84%, Meta up again 2.20%, Nvidia up again 1.15%, Microsoft once again in the green 0.5%, and Apple getting a massive breakout up 1.19%. And now we're going to look at SPY S&P 500 ETF. So tomorrow is going to be a big day, especially with FOMC meeting and Jerome Powell coming out and speaking to the media. It's going to be interesting to see what he has to say. And I know that he's going to do 25 basis points, and the next one possibly pause and then start cutting. And that means one thing, market is liking that. We're seeing a massive move here in the market. And also, guys, one more thing to point out. Yes, we fell back into bear market, but look at this. This is actually a nice retest of this breakout. So this thing went all the way up to 318, came down, retesting bear market resistant trend line. We went under, but look at this breakout now. It's breaking out and looks like we're finding resistance around 399 to 400. We have red line 50 SMA sitting close to 399, and then as soon as we break 399 and 400, SPY heading higher to close the gap on top at 408, and that is coming. Going into tomorrow, if there is a pullback, watch out for the support down here, 13 SMA 395, and below that 393, and then white line 20 SMA at 391.43, all the way down here at 390. That's going to be that big support on SPY. I don't see a $10 move tomorrow here on SPY to the downside. We could see a move possibly $5 to $7, but definitely anything is possible. Just because I think there is going to be a $5 to $7 move on SPY does not mean that it's going to happen, because it all depends on Jerome Powell. So watch out for the support, guys. 395, 393, and also right here 391, 55, 53 right here, white line 20 SMA, and below that 390. 400 breaks, we're going to see this gap getting closed on top at 408. And now we're going to look at triple Q. So on triple Q, if you look at my screen, we got that massive breakout, and now it's trading above 310. So definitely tech sector looking extremely bullish, and we could see triple Q going all the way up to 321, and that could be coming in next few days. Going into tomorrow as a support, we're trading above upper Bollinger Band here on triple Q. So yes, a pullback is possible down to 305, 304, and below that we could be coming down to 300 to retest this breakout right here from this downtrend on triple Q. 310 can hold tomorrow. Yes, we could see more upside, even though this Bollinger Band will not allow triple Q to move higher because it's sitting close to 309. This Bollinger Band has to expand all the way up to 321, and then we're going to see a bigger move on triple Q. So going into tomorrow, 310 as a support, below that 305, 304 right here, and then 300 aligned with this white line 20 SMA sitting just under 300 right here, white line 20 SMA, and then we also have support down here at 297.30, orange line 13 SMA, and then watch out for 294 all the way down to red line 50 SMA 291.83. And now we're going to look at IWM. So on IWM, it's up 1.84% on the day, $3.20, and this thing getting rejected at 178 exactly today, and now holding on to white line 20 SMA sitting close to 176. So that is going to be a key level to watch tomorrow, 176 on IWM, this white line 20 SMA, and if that gives up, we could be rolling over again, coming back down to the big support 170. To the upside, 178 can break on IWM. We're going to see a push all the way up to 181 to close this gap on top, and then 183. And now we're going to look at DIA, Dow Jones ETF. So on Dow Jones, this is still a dead cat bounce. Yes, we got to close above 324, holding daily 200-day as a support, and this is going to be the second time Dow Jones ETF DIA retesting daily 200-day and getting bounced off of that level. So going into tomorrow, guys, as a support, 324 is going to be key level, daily 200-day, and below that, watch out for this white line 20 SMA at 321 and then 318. 324 can hold, then watch out for the resistance right here, 326, orange line 13 SMA, and above that, 330 is possible here on DIA, and this would be a successful retest of daily 200-day here on DIA, and also 318, which is the big level of support. If you look at it last week, it was holding the whole week. It was trading in between 318 and 320, and now we're getting a move back up to the upside. So DIA also looking better, not bullish yet, but the support and the daily 200-day moving average right here at 324 is holding as of right now. So things are looking better on DIA. And now we're going to look at VIX Volatility Index. So on VIX, it's down 11.47% on the day, a massive beat down here on VIX, and now it's trading at 21.39 at the closing. So this thing definitely giving us a signal that market might be heading higher. This thing is getting decimated, and soon as this thing breaks 20 bucks right here, guys, red line 50 SMA, and also there is a big level of support below 23. Now that we took out this breakout here on VIX, I mean, that was a massive breakout getting over $23, and now we're under 23, barely holding on to any support, and a big support here on VIX will be down here at 20. And if this thing gets a flush down below 20, that means what? We're going to see a massive rally in the market, and VIX possibly will come down to $18 again, and that's where you should be going and shorting the market, not right now. So volatility coming down, that means one thing, market could be heading higher, but this thing's still holding above $20. So just be cautious out there, because this thing can spike back up and take out $23 right here, the resistance, then VIX heading higher, and we're going to see market pulling back again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated going into tomorrow here in the stock market.